Welcome to sunny Florida.
My name is Presley.
And I'm Dina.
And
We are the Flamingo Trainers. Today we're going to make 2 kinds of Play-Doh recipes and see which one we like the best. The first one's going to have flour. And the second one we're going to mix with lotion. Let's get started. How does this feel?
It feels really soft because of the lotion, and it's really sticky.
It's really sticky still. Let's add some more cornstarch.
Okay. Spaghetti.
It's really soft.
Well, it's soft too, but it's hot at the same time.
Okay, we have our 2 sets done. Which one do you like the best?
This one feels better. This one is a little bit salty.
Grainy.
Like it's hard to move, but I like this one better.
You like the lotion one better? So the lotion one is cloud dough, and we went on Pinterest and got it off of thebestideasforkids.com. I'll put the link in the description below. This one is 3 recipes Play-Doh, and we got this from twinmomrefresh.com. So we'll put that link in there too. So which one do you think you can cut better?
This is Mr. II, and he's going to beat everybody that is participating.
Okay, so can you pinch a little of his ear off and see?
Why is his ear going to get off?
I want to see which one can cut better. Okay, that's not bad. I can cut that.
That's hard.
Can you cut that one?
It's it was easier.
It was super easy. Okay.
Just like a little bit of pressure, and that's it.
A little bit sticky. Okay, what about this roll? Or let's do the jaggedy one. Wonder we need a thing.
Oh, his ear needs to come off again.
We need his ear again.
Oh
This
no!
is kind of too thick. It doesn't look too pretty. It doesn't look too pretty. What about
It
yours?
looks like it's pink and it matches your shirt, I guess.
Yes. Somehow that. Okay.
His ear now.
Okay, now which one do you want to try? The mold or this guy?
I don't want to turn Mr. II to spaghetti, so I guess I will do this because I don't want to, so I will do it. Oh, Mr. II, I'm sorry for my mouth.
Maybe you can just cut part of this out of
Okay,
it.
yeah.
Maybe this eye there.
Yeah,
Just,
his eye, please. Okay, Mr.
or
II.
maybe you can use your Play-Doh knife and cut the bottom part of his jaw.
No. No. It turned into a pizza slice. pizza slice.
So we're going to try to put this in the refrigerator to save it, to play with it a few more days.
Yeah. We may make
Okay, hold it so the camera can see it. Let's see what it does. Does it do it? Oh, not bad.
The rest of my Play-Doh I have to apply a lot of pressure as well, so I like the same amount of pressure I have to apply. But it makes a big mess inside of this.
Oh yeah, it's super
a
messy.
Big mess. My Play-Doh doesn't make that big of a mess, but this one kind of makes a mess.
Yeah.
I may have just ruined one of my toys right now.
I can help you.
You need cornstarch to get it off.
Cornstarch.
No, Mr. I, it's okay. Your jaw got whipped off, but it's okay.
It's a little messy, but we can rinse it off in the sink when we're done. But yeah, that one didn't do
Mr.
too well in the molds,
Mr.
Okay, I'm just going to stick this one right in here on top of this other one. I got it out as clean as I can get it. So let's put some of this in here and see. You want to do it?
Probably,
have the honors.
It probably doesn't because it's hard.
Want to have the honors?
Okay.
Hold it for the...
No.
Ready, and... Oh, it's coming out everywhere. Oh!
My normal Play-Doh comes out of this, but it is because this one didn't have enough. You want to try it? It was like hard. It was hard.
It's a little bit wet, but it's not super messy like the...
Yeah, it wasn't super messy because it was hard, but it was harder to do it. Mr. I'm sorry. Some of your jaw was...
Okay. We have some pony hair. We might as well see. Okay, if that was sticky in here, maybe we can line this with more cornstarch first.
There's my other pony. Can you do it at the same time?
In the bucket.
In the bucket. Can you go get it?
Sure.
Still
We're gonna put some cornstarch in here.
Maybe you need some lotion. Yours is a little thick. This is a little thick.
Okay, yours is probably gonna be
Do
super.
you have to destroy Mr.
Where did your part go that we were using? I think he still uses bottom jaw area.
No, Mr. Mr. It's okay, Mr.
Okay.
I won't, but you're supposed to put one in this side and one in that side.
Maybe so.
Maybe I need more of Mr. I need more of Mr. to do this.
A little more.
To do this experience. No, Mr.
I think I got way too much. Oh, it's squeezing it out. Squeezing it out.
Is it enough? Is it hard or something?
Yeah, I just have a little left over. I don't know how.
Is it hard?
It is hard.
Mine's probably going to be soft. Yours needs some lotion.
You have the lotion, Play-Doh. I have the flour and salt.
Okay, I'm going to do...
Remember, you use lotion and cornstarch for yours.
Okay, I'm going to... So, this is how I do it. I do it.
Well, mine was hard too. Oh!
It's mostly white because of the well, you just scrape all that whiteness off.
The cornstarch. Okay, can you take it out?
I'm afraid I'm going to break it because it's so delicate.
It is very delicate and soft.
I'm shaking right now.
You almost got it.
No, I'm not. I didn't. Oh, it's not coming out. It's too sticky.
Here, try this tool.
No, I can't. I can't get it out.
So the mold.
It's too delicate to work with.
Okay, too delicate for the mold. It's cloud. It's like a cloud. Okay, I wonder if I can get mine out.
I'm just gonna put Mr. back together because Mr. don't want this experience. Okay, Mr. you're okay. You're okay. Let me just put you back together.
Mine's trying to come out.
It can't come out because it's too hard.
His head is kind of not too bad,
I think he won this round.
but not too good.
It's not too good.
He's getting tired.
He just wants to take a nap, just flop down like a little doggy.
Okay, are we gonna trade
Trade with what?
Play-Doh sections, and I'll get to mess
Don't
up?
mess up Mr.
So we can't trade.
Don't mess up this.
Well, okay, I guess I'll play with this one. Oh, it is?
No, that's Mr. He's crazy.
Okay, he's falling.
Okay, you can have this, but don't mess up Mr. I.
Can you give me a portion and make Mr. II smaller so we can actually play with it and squish it?
So you want me to destroy Mr. I?
Can you make another one?
You want me to destroy Mr. I?
Well, we want to play with it.
Oh, this is already starting to get hard because it was in one shape for too long.
Oh, is it different now? Okay, we're going to smash that little pony. Sorry.
Yeah, this is hard. You can feel it. I'm going to take a...
Okay, let's just take like a portion and then make... Oh, wow, that's really soft.
Okay, you can play with this. And I'm going to, like, take some of those. I want to play with the spaghetti. Yeah, it's soft, but it's hard at the same time.
I like this Playdough recipe. We'll have to get some more cornstarch when we're out.
Yeah, we are out of cornstarch. See, she thought salt was cornstarch. She thought it was.
I thought I had the cornstarch out, but it was a bottle of salt.
And I was like, it's salt, not cornstarch. And then she finally realized, right whenever we were starting to make it.
Okay, I'm going to make this beautiful unicorn magical star.
I'm making
Hopefully.
a pizza.
Oh.
Mine is the pizza color, so I think it's going to do good. Pizza with a little bit of blue on it.
Oh no, that went pretty well.
Yeah, because you have that and like a little. What if I win all the challenges? So this is what I got so far.
Then you want a popsicle.
What?
Then you can win a popsicle.
What about chocolate ice cream?
Did you eat all the chocolate ice cream?
No, we had 2 buckets, remember? Somebody bought some whenever we didn't know.
Somebody would be me.
Somebody bought some.
We bought double.
She thought we didn't have it, but she actually did have it.
Lucky day for you. The people that eat it. Okay, so we've been playing with these for a little while. Which one do you think is your favorite?
I think that one because it's soft, just it doesn't go through the molds better. It doesn't go through the mold.
It doesn't really go through the molds, but that one's...
I'm just going to add one topping on my pizza. And then I can try something else with mine. I want to try the cutouts with yours because we didn't get to do the cutouts. Does mine cut out okay?
It's a little sticky, but it's getting better.
Here's my pizza, and then...
Okay, I have it ready. I'm gonna do a mold. Oh, with yours?
I want to do a unicorn mold. Unicorn mold. Does mine mold okay?
I think so.
Okay. Rolling gun. Cut off excess, like this is an excess. And then slide out. Okay. Oh no! What? Yours doesn't do modes, well?
Just push it out.
Just got
I think you can
stuck
just push it out gently and see.
Okay. So you see my fingerprints, it doesn't look that good.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. So I
Okay.
still has his eyeball.
Okay. Let's end the video here. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.